Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about backgrounds in CSS. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about margins. I think it's like a very clear explanation. We are having four types of margins, which is called margin top, bottom, right, left, which was explained in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go learn how to create a margin and everything. Now in this tutorial I want to discuss about backgrounds. So yes, in before I explain how to give a background color by using background hyphen color. So if you give the color, automatically you will get like a color of the background, so which was I already explained in before tutorial. So if you want entire body will be in same color, so same tag you can give, and entire body will be in same color. So just give a body, and yeah, and just apply the color which by using background color, and give which is you want. If you want crimson, and just control S and reload it, you'll get like crimson color entire background. So yes, if you don't want, you can give like none. So if I give none, it was like normal, and just reload it. Yes, you can see that none. So this is called background of entire color. So if you want only specific of background, like if you want p tag or anything, so we are having many tags, right? So we use like h3, h4, and many tags. If you want particularly for h3 tag, I didn't return h3 any css, so that's why I'm taking h3. So h3 here I'm giving the background color. Yeah, I want like cyan, and just control S. For h3 you will get like a cyan, you can observe. So in before nothing was there, now if I given cyan, so this is like background color. Few border style, which is like what you want, dashed or what, and just control S and just reload. You can see that which is like dashed color, so dashed border. So if you want dotted, you can give the dotted also. So this is all about up to you. It's all about up to you. You can give the background color of particular element, so you can give the background color, so by using background color tag. So this is about the background where we can use. And we are having like background image, background repeat, background position also, so we can discuss that properties also. And we are having another thing which is called opacity. So guys, you given like a cyan color, right? So if you want the opacity, so just you can decrease the color to, if you want lighten the color, so you can give the opacity like 0.1, and just observe the difference between. Now actually I'm not reloaded, just I'll reload, and you can see it was in very light color because I given the opacity 0.1. If I give 0.7 and just control S and reload, it's not bad. So it was still I think just give 0.3 and just reload. Yes, it's like a opacity means it's like a light color. So this is all about opacity. And instead of, you can give like background directly. If you want green background of body, so none I given, right? You can give like directly background of RGBA. So RGBA I already explained. RGBA stands for like red, green, blue. So it's like a alphabet. So you need to give a alpha colors. What you need. So generally like background. So just give background, and here you need to specify the color RG. Yeah, like this RGBA. So 0 comma 128 comma 0 comma 0.3. I'm giving some colors. We'll see which color you'll get. Like it's like a green color. So just reload it, you'll get like a green color. So I given some random number, I don't know, it's showing that it's like a green color. Want like background image also, so you can give background image also. If you want like the entire body, so just I'm removing. Now I want to give the background image, so which is like we are having background image, and just give uh URL and which URL you are giving. So the name which is called nature.jpg. So we are already having nature.jpeg. So I'm giving the same image which was downloaded. Just Control S. So we'll get entire body as background of that. And one more thing, and the background was cutted, right? Did you observe or not? I don't know. So because the image was cutted, so every the same image was there. You can, it's like a you can give like image doesn't not to be reported, not to be repeated. So you can give, it's all about your wish. The background should not be repeated, you can give like that also. Another property which is called background repeat. So here you need to give the no repeat property, and just Control S and just reload, and you can see that output which is the background image was there, which was not repeated, which was having only one time. So the body we are having only one time, the background image. So because I given the body inside the body, so that's why I got only inside the body tag. So that's why we got the body no repeat, so it was not repeated. In before it was repeated. So that is the way to not repeat the background, not to be repeated. I think it was a very clear, and you can give background position, you can give background attachment. So this is all about you. So this is all about the background. So if you want to give the background color, if you want to give the background image, you can give. So this is all about your wish. So I think, I hope it was very clear explanation. So I'll come with another tutorial which is called commands in CSS. So actually I written this one. Now I don't want this background image. So can we commented this one? Is it possible? So what is CSS commands? Everything will explain in coming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button, and you're going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new tutorial